What's up, y'all? This is Asia's wig, just giving her a break today. This wig, me, comes straight from RPG. Listen up, pay attention, because it's gonna go by. Okay, as you can see, she keep flipping me in and out. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but y'all see what that is. It's a whole lace attached to me. By the way, do you see this shine? You see how she plucked it is? Yes, girl, you're gonna be doing just that once you get by the pool or wherever you're going for the summer. Okay, she put me on top of this tight little head right here. Keep in mind, this is a smaller head. Obviously, y'all, this is a mannequin, so it may not fit on your head. Just keep that in mind. She's parting me, as you can see, versatility right there. Ooh, baby, look at that curls. Okay, yes, look at the little comb. She just straightening me out, making sure she's just getting the little hairs from in between the line. Okay. Now I'm on top of her head. Now it's a little bit bigger, but it ain't that much bigger than the mannequin, so also keep that in mind. She's giving me a little feel, because you gotta feel this. The curls are just amazing. I mean, awesome. This isn't even co-washed or anything yet, and it's gonna turn into magic. And this is big head friendly, y'all. So those of y'all wondering if this is gonna fit your head, it is. Watch as she turn around. Look at me from the back. You see it? You see it? Okay, now I'm co-washed. I'm co-washed and I've been plucked, okay? You see them curls. And stay tuned a little later. You're going to see as it dries out. As you can see right now, she's showing how I've been plucked. This is plucked for hers. She's going to push me on top of this little mannequin thing. And she's putting in some product right there. Y'all see it, or you just go ahead and look at the description box. Palm hand full. Go and give it to me, girl. Yes, the shine. I love it. Run your fingers through me. This feels bomb. Okay, I'm getting a massage, and y'all know how it feels to get a massage. Love it. Yes, girl. And you can put me a little ponytail in the back. She's going to wrap this part, hold this part down, hold this tight, because you know this is the prep to, it's over my little lace, but don't worry about it. She going to slide it up. Get me right, girl. Get me right. Okay, I love that. Yes, playing my hair a little bit more. Okay, she took it off. Here we go now. Y'all see it? It's a little dry right here. She clipping a little bit. Not too much now. Don't get too crazy, Asia. Oh, she going in a little bit more. She got to even me out, y'all. But she gonna keep me long and curly. Okay, getting some of them loose ends. You see it. Now, y'all gonna do this to your liking. This is for Asia's head only. Now, Asia did mention that she could have trimmed me a little bit more, but you know, I don't really like my hair cut like that. So, you know, maybe next time we can go on and do that, because these curls are still popping, baby. As you can see, bouncy curls, period. Sis about to look bomb with this, catching all the flows and all the dudes, you know. Okay, look at that shine, baby. Take a moment of silence and look at that shine. Now, as you see, I'm going to get placed on top of Asia's hair. She's adjusting my elastic inside. Pay attention, y'all. Okay. Oh, wow, bam. You see it? Okay. Asia even smiling already. Stop playing with her. Yes, honey. This just gave her a boost of self-esteem to 10, baby. All right, now we're going to fix the lace that's right here. Now, y'all know this part is important. So go ahead and pay attention to Asia and how she's going to maneuver this lace around her edges as so. Showing a little bit more product. I believe that's going to color match on her wig and her scalp. As you can see, she puts a concealer inside the lace on me. She's going to blow dry so it can set in. Okay, she puts me back on her head. Y'all, I can't get over my wave. Did y'all see that wave from the beginning? I know you see it. Okay, as you see, she's pulling back the lace on me. Okay, getting ready to put the glue down. Yes. She's going to put her first coating right here. Watch how she does this. She's going close to the hairline. She's going all the way around. But make sure you don't get this on your natural hair. You just want this to get right around the hairline. Okay, then we're going to wait until this glue dries clear. As you can see, she's fanning it a bit to speed up the process. Now she's going to apply the second coat. Oh, baby, wait till this get laid, honey. Going back over the same spot. Keep in mind, again, you do not want to get this into your hair. Okay, now she's going to lay down the lace to her. Okay, you see that she's going to match the hairline to the scalp line. There we are. She's going to use the back of the comb to rub it in, baby, so that I can melt. Okay, this lace is about to melt. I'm about to melt. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, and these dudes going to melt too. Okay. Look at that. And don't get it twisted, girls. Now she drying it. Okay, she drying it. She gonna dry the glue right there. As you can see, she's just going over it a couple of times. Now she got her elastic band. Now y'all can get an elastic band of your preference, okay? Lay that down. That's gonna make it melt even more. It's actually gonna make the ladies melt too, because everybody gonna be asking about me. Girl, where you get her, okay? Yes, now she removing it, baby. It's melted. You see that? Secured, okay? Locked in, secured. We love it, baby. She gonna use the scissors to cut it. This is where she's gonna use the razor to get as close to the scalp line as possible, baby. This is where the melting and this is where the natural hair growth from the scalp gonna play a big old part. Now you see that? Oh yes, baby. Don't cut me, Asia. I ain't playing with you, girl. We gotta be ready for the town tonight, baby. Ooh, child, I'm getting excited myself. Yes, honey, get around the ears. You see that she's cutting these in pieces and parts so that she can make sure that this natural look is given, okay? She understood the assignment. Yes. All right, she's going around again. Love it. And baby, notice that this baby ain't moved not one bit as she cutting. All right? Notice that. Y'all see it, right? She's going back around on the other part. Getting that last little piece because we almost ready, girl. I'm so excited. Can't y'all tell? A little bit of alcohol right here to clean up the glue. We got to get that all clean off her face. Spin around, baby. You see it from the back. Stop playing with me. She's going to reapply her makeup. Give her look again, okay? Going to get around the little edges right there. Yes, tap, tap, tap. Now we gonna get these baby hairs down. Now let me tell you something about my baby hairs, baby. I'm already curly, you know what I'm saying? So she gonna pull out a little bit in the front and wait till you see these baby hairs I'm about to give her, okay? Little curly curl right there. You see it? Now this is for all y'all that don't know how to do baby hairs either. Pay attention now. Okay, more product. Not sure what that is. Go ahead, check that description box again. Lay it down and so whoop. And so whoop. Yes, honey, get that so whoop. You see it? Another so whoop. Laying that down. You see, I got 3 perfect lines of baby hair. Stop playing with her. About to get 2 more. So whoop. There it is again. Oh, yes, honey. This about to be a lay for the guys. Baby, look at Asia. Ooh, she got that look in her eyes and she want to go, yep, get a little kitty cat going. Hey, okay. Look at me. I'm looking great on her shoulders. I'm looking great on her complexion, looking great on her head. Turn around. Oh, you see it from the back. Shake, shake, shake your tail feather, girl. You see how I'm looking with these curls all shiny and stuff. Look at that smile on her. That is authentic, baby. You see them waves? Baby, the Santa Monica Ocean ain't got deep waves like that, honey. Look at this. And she playing me. Yes, girl. Feel on me. I love it. Ooh, it makes me tingle inside. Look at her. Slow-mo. Yeah, bet out when I come to your town. You see it? Girl playing. She can't even keep her hands off me. You see that bounce to the ounce? Look at it. And it's a little bit of close-up. But, check me out. Now go ahead and check out the description box. Everything that you see in this video today is right below. Except that smile, baby. You got to get the wig, okay? Get it from RPGHair. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with yourself. Okay, Asia told me that you be naming her wig, so you're going to have to give me a name. Now, I know you're going to show some favoritism to this, baby, because I am gorgeous. You see this. And for then last week's name of the wig, that is going to be on the screen, and you'll see what the name. We appreciate you. Thank you. That's my cousin, by the way. Don't forget, I'm better. And if you find this video helpful and you know I'm the bomb, go ahead and give a thumbs up and subscribe to the Faithful Fam. And that's my time. Until next time, I may grace you again. Keep it tight, keep it right. See y'all later. I'm out.